In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block and unblock emails on Gmail, a simple yet powerful way to manage your inbox. Whether you're dealing with persistent spam or simply want to restrict messages from certain addresses, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. We're going to ensure you can expertly navigate these features with ease. Let's start by opening Gmail in your favorite web browser. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're inside Gmail, identify an email from the sender you wish to block. Open this email, and you'll notice a small three-dot icon located at the upper right corner of the email pane. This icon represents more options. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu should appear. Look for the option that says Block Sender's Name. Selecting this option will ensure that any future emails from this address go straight to your spam folder, keeping your inbox clutter-free. Next, let's suppose you mistakenly blocked someone and now need to undo this action. Don't worry, unblocking is just as straightforward. In the Gmail interface, click on the Settings icon, which looks like a gear, located in the upper right of the screen. From here, click on See All Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here you'll find a list of all the email addresses you have blocked. Simply find the email address you wish to unblock and click Unblock. Confirm your action when prompted. Throughout this process, it's important to remember that blocking an email address won't prevent the person from sending you messages, but will redirect their emails to your spam folder. This helps keep your primary inbox reserved for more important communications. Also, unblocking an email address will move emails from that address back into your inbox as they arrive. A helpful tip when managing blocked addresses is to periodically review the list to ensure consistency with your needs. Over time, your communication requirements may change, so adjusting your blocked email list accordingly is beneficial. Plus, Gmail's spam management system is robust. Regularly checking your spam folder can ensure important messages aren't mistakenly filtered. In summary, managing who you receive emails from on Gmail is both flexible and user-friendly. Being able to block and unblock senders ensures that your inbox remains efficient and effective. This can greatly enhance your email experience and help you focus on what's truly important. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy emailing!